Recently we were called out to have a look at this Brivis air conditioning unit that was no longer cooling. Initially I was concerned about its proximity to the side fence. As you can see here, it's less than 20 centimetres off the fence. On discussing the issue further with the client, he advised us that someone recently had been out and re-gassed the unit, but didn't find a leak. I think we've got a problem here. So now we need to locate the origin of the refrigerant leak. It wasn't long before the leak was quite obvious. Here you see it in the bottom of what's known as the condenser. The location of the leak can be directly attributed to the initial installer's poor judgment and not allowing enough airflow between the condenser fans and the side fence.